Jim with Elite Personal Fit. Welcome to our core class today. And today we are crunching the numbers. Okay, so in each of these titles, just for fun, I tried to play on a number. So you'll see what I mean in a second. But all you need for today's routine is just a mat. And neat workout. We're going to go through this 2 rounds. Let me run through what we've got. So again, it's crunching the numbers. So we're going to start with figure 4. So we just cross one leg over and we're doing this kind of cross crunch. If there's a problem with both legs up, you could drop that leg. We'll mention that when we get there. Next exercise is lying. We're going to do figure 8s. Okay, so we're going to kind of carve like an infinity sign in the ceiling. Okay, if your fitness level allows, on each upswing of that 8, we're going to try to lift the hips off the mat on each side. Okay. Then we're going to go to a 2-count crunch. So see what we're doing here? Figure 4s, figure 8s, 2-count crunch. Then we go 3 position leg lift. All right. So prime number. Then we're going to go to a reverse back extension 2-count hold. Okay. So there you have it. Not very creative, but it's kind of fun to use those numbers as we go through. 2 rounds of this, guys. I think it'll do a really good job of challenging the core. Man, a lot of work on lower abs and obliques. Help keep that waistline just trim and strong is what we're trying to shoot for here. So, hey, let's get this thing underway. We're going to start with the figure 4s. We'll get about 15 or so of these, 15 to 20. So this is our position we're going to start with. You could, if you need to, for whatever reason, you could drop down if you feel back pain. Or if you have bad hips, sometimes, if you bring it up, it can impinge the hip if you have some problems in there, inflammation, so you can drop that leg down. Here we go. Let's get 15 to 20. I'm just going to crunch over. 1, 2, 3. Drawing those legs up as you crunch a little bit. Okay, and that did a great job of firing with those abs right away. All right, so I went 20, so I'll match those reps coming the other way. Here we go, don't pull the head. 1, 2. Right, we'll come down the next one, and it's a toughie. We've got figure 8s, okay, and we're going for about 10 total figure 8s that we'll carve on the ceiling, okay. So that's equivalent to like about 20 leg lift hip thrusts, basically, if you bring your hips up. Okay, so guys, you could have the hands down. I'll put it behind the head in my case, and I'm gonna come up. Hips are off, and hips are off again. 1. Man, really feeling them. Doesn't take much. Oh man. Good stuff. Okay, now lower body gets a little bit of a break here. We have a 2-count crunch coming up, 15 to 20 of these. Try not to pull the head. I know I say that a lot, but boy, this one has a real tendency to do it. Here we go. Up. 1, up, 2. 5, 6, That was 20. Really getting those, especially, you really feel the uppers, especially with that one. Next one, we have a 3-position leg lift. When you're doing this, I want you to think about leading with the heels on each side. So it's almost like you're carving out like a V, and then we'll come to the middle, and we'll count the middle one as 1 in that case, and then we'll go side, side, 2. We have 8 of these that we want to shoot for, okay? Again, hands can be down kind of like the figure 8s. It could be down here, or you could go behind the head, okay? I'm going to go behind the head. It is a little harder to keep your balance, but I feel it makes my core work a whole lot harder, but you don't have to do that. You can have your hands down, okay? Here we go. So I'm going to come up on one side, and again, bring those hips up if you can. Other side, to the middle, 1. So it's a regular leg lift and then sweep it, sweep it, 2, sweep, 3, sweep. Woo! I'm gonna need one more, just in case. Boy, I need to see. Oh man. Whew. Love it. Really gets those abs fired up. Okay, so now we're rolling over. We're kind of stagnant here, right? Kind of on the back. I'm in a lot of different moves, but we're gonna roll over, reverse back extension. All right. I like to turn the feet out. I find it really helps me isolate the glutes and lower back a little bit better. Okay, so, and my heels are close together. You can even touch them if you want to, or bring them close together. Toes are out. I kind of like that. Don't want to, so we're not bending the knees as you come up. The knees are soft, but we're raising up. Okay, so I'm going to get my neck in a fairly neutral position. So I'm looking kind of down a little bit, chin on the hands, and I'm pressing the hips into the mat. Hold it, 1, 2, lightly touch, 2, 2, 15 to 20. 2, don't go too high. Whew, okay, that was 20, and you can really feel that posterior chain. You know, a lot of glute work. You want to feel that lower back, but feel those muscles kind of contract. Let's come back over. Guys, we got one more round. Okay, so it's going pretty quick. Let's go back to those figure 4s. Here we go. If you need more time, hit pause. Otherwise, we're going. Here we go. Okay, let's switch them up. Here we go. Feeling them. Woo! round two, it can really get you. They're a little pre-exhausted. We got figure eights. All right, here we go. Boy, they're burning. 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now we've got our 2 count crunch. All right. Here we go. Don't pull the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Woo! Hope you're feeling the core at home. Here we go. Next one. We have got the 3-position leg lift. 8 of these. Okay? Here we go. Sweep. 1. Sweep. 2. Sweep. 3. Couple more. Oh, yeah. One more. That little hip lift really gets you. Oh. Whew, man. Okay. Let's roll over, guys. We've got the reverse back extension. Here we go. 2 count hold. 1, 2, 2. All right, that was 20 of those. I'm gonna sit up. That was our core routine for today. So a good little workout, and we're kind of playing with numbers in the title. So that was our crunching the numbers workout. Hope you enjoyed the routine. I had a lot of fun. Stay safe and healthy out there. This is Elite Fitness, bringing wellness